I'm recording, Nathan. Give me a thumbs up, bud. All right, we're ready.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Positive?
Yes.
All right, ready?
Ready.
2, 1. Y'all later.
Later. Woohoo! That's awesome. That was freaking awesome. Yeah. Now I gotta get Nathan on being retrieved.
Other way.
Oh, is Nathan swimming?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. You still out there, buddy?
Step up a little.
One more? So what'd you think, Nathan? Was that cool?
I don't know, it's not done yet.
It's not done yet?
Gotta go out and retrieve them.
Is that because he don't weigh enough?
Yeah, pretty much.
I knew we should have threw him in the lake first.
That's alright.
That was awesome. Hey, you want to do it again?
Yeah, but I'm still going.
First you gotta get off, right? Hold on. Pretty neat when you get when you leave from up there.
Yeah, that's a great view. All right, this requires a lot of upper body strength, especially if we're going to retrieve a 110-pound kid. Give me a thumbs up, Nathan.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How was it, bud?
Good.
Yeah? That was cool?
Yeah.
Alright, buddy, don't let go of that.
You better got that on video because I'm not paying another $25 for that.